Hey everyone, and welcome to this latest unboxing thingamajiggy. And in today's majiggy, we are gonna do another item out of the snacks category. And if you'll remember from past videos, we have done many items in this category, such as various types of cookies and biscuits and crackers, Rice Krispie Squares. We've done Twinkies, Joe Louis, Passion Flakes. We have done various chocolate bars. We have done, oh, protein bars, granola bars, and various Nature Valley bars and Uncrustables. So this week, we are going to unbox these Nature Valley soft baked muffin bars. Now, I saw this just now at the grocery store and I thought they were kind of interesting. So I was curious as to trying this as well. So this one is the apple cinnamon flavor here, and it claims to be a high source of fiber. And yes, since this is Nature Valley, I am shilling for General Mills yet again, Bond 24. Shame on me. Call the cops, call the spies, call whomever you want to. Heck, you can even call Ghostbusters on me, because that's who you're going to call, right? So, without much further ado, we are just going to lift up the tab like this here. Being a tough little bugger here. And voila. Here we have one of the muffin bars in here. So let me know in the comments below if you've ever had these muffin bars before and what you guys thought of them and which flavor is your favorite. And also, if you haven't had these before, also let me know in the comments below if you're now curious to want to try these. So if you like this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button, which you will find down there. And also don't forget to ring the Mrs. Bell notification button so you can get notified of other videos just like this one. And also don't forget to smash the living daylights out of the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. And also don't forget to check out these lovely videos right over here. So with that having been said, I will see you at the next unboxing video. So take care and